Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to take photos with the rear camera using the cover screen on your Motorola Razr Fold. As you probably know, selfie cameras are typically worse than the main cameras. If you want to take a photo in good quality though, you can easily do it by opening the camera app, and then you have lots of different buttons, and one of them it has different options. Now when I do it, and you can see the screen is off, but when I go to when I start looking at the camera, it opens cartoon, which means it just I can focus on that, and it's great for taking photos of children, so they focus, so they look at the camera. Then when you click on it again, it will the screen is off, but when it detects my face, it will give me a preview of my face so I can see myself, but I would still need to use the shutter button or a volume button. Now when I click on that button, I can now just use everything on my inner screen. So I could take a selfie, and as you can see, there it is, and it's taken with the better camera, so it has better quality, and if I want, I can switch back to the inner screen by swiping right here, and this is the button that I used, this one. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.